All right, we're down here in Palm Bay, Pittman Sons on the screen repair. Whoever did this enclosure or this rescreen sheeted. So we're going to screen 25% of that second panel there. This was from a contractor who cut the screen. This installers cut on the screen when they put in the new shingles. So stay tuned. Alright, got it all wrapped up. If you need any screen repair anywhere before roof panels, any height, any size, lower panels, door panels, transom panels, upper wall panels, we don't care what it is, anything to do with screen, give us a call 321-505-7537. Pittman Sons, baby. Thanks.